Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living.
Welcome back to Alley in the Valley. I'm gonna make you an amazing drink that I read about in Cosmo. I'm on the internet always researching recipes, and I found this Rosé Margarita. Now, you can't get any better than a Rosé Margarita. I drink Rosé like it's water. I'm just joking, but for real. Since I've been traveling, I love Rosé. It's the new thing. And it's funny because my husband doesn't like rosé, so guess what? The bottles are all mine. And a margarita, I love margaritas. So this is called a rosé margarita. Let me show you how you make it. So everything is equal parts. So I'm gonna use, you can use any tequila you want. This is Milagro and it's Reposado. So you do 1 cup. So I'm just gonna gauge 1 cup, but you can measure 1 cup tequila, and this is for 4 to 6. Then you're gonna do 1 cup of simple syrup. Simple syrup is equal parts water and sugar, cooked on the stove. I made it earlier. Simple sugar. I make my own. You can buy it in the store too, but it's a little too sweet. 1 cup. Okay. Then lime juice. 1/2 cup or a cup. I've already squeezed the fresh squeezed lime juice. Then a whole bottle of rosé. Now this rosé is supposed to be really good. You know where I got it from. I don't even need to say the name of the company. The store, Trader Joe's. All right. Now, if you need to measure, everything's 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup. Now, I got this from the party store. Can you see that? Gold sugar flakes. Then I'm gonna rim the glasses because I have a girlfriend coming over, and we are gonna try my new Rosé Margarita. It's floating your boat and it's coming up. Let me move off this so you can see what I'm doing. Hello. All right. Gold rim sugar that I bought at Michael's, I think. Michael's is probably the best place to get edible stuff like this, or the grocery store. Certain grocery stores. I don't know if they all have gold, but all right. All right. Because you gotta have your margarita very cold, right? Rosé, who thought of this? So hot. I wish I could say I thought of it, but I didn't. But I am incorporating it. All right. Lamb. I mean, doesn't this look like lemonade? It looks so good and refreshing. All right, I have to do the taste test. We need straws. I know straws are, not popular, but those are paper straws. A little lime on top. Drop the lime in. Okay. Let's try this baby. Rosé Margarita on the rocks. I think this is my new favorite drink. I'm gonna be drinking this all summer long. It's delightful. It's light, but it has a punch. Rosé Margarita, you know where to get the recipe? www.Alley in the Valley. Rosé Margarita. I think this is my new Cosmo. That's the bomb. Rosé Margarita.